Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, on the Senzo Mayor trial there at High Court in Pretoria, suka nje phansi today. Uramsipile siqalile usethi, yeah, no, Brigadier Gininda can come actually and explain himself on other things, but we know how he is. So besidlala merry-go-round. So it's a waste of time. Ngizolalela uNtanzi mina what he's saying to me. Ngoba he went through. That is why I said even when Untanzi was on trial, within a trial, guys, I did mention, good, you know what? Untanzi is telling his story. We don't know anything about his story, guys. We were not there when he was being trapad and moved. I mean, so he's telling his story. It's the same as Umuzi Gaukula Losbia, who accused number one. Babeshon Jabas plays Namanga. Guys, it's his story. Bamshayo, Salah Ukininde, this will never change. Nangu Tanzi Nabam Fagin Pamo Mapen, Bapi Manch. Mapena, they went to the grave named Abba says yes, that you'll never know for sure. But my thing is that at the end of the day, these guys must just be acquitted. Especially these two, accused number 1 and 2, plus accused number 4. Well, accused number 4 guys didn't do anything to anyone. Yabana good 3 no 5. 5 figures, so many things he get connected to him as ngeko right, as a shady, as ngeko right life in. Come on. Ramusipile went and did his AVL reports omukula nomukhano kuyazi ke ziphuma ke indaba zabo zamanga. Yakhumbula ama-AVL reports, they don't want to show us to a point where accused number 1 was like, I want them ngiyafuna to this day salindile baloyi. Guys, as Ntanzi Ubongani is trying to detail that whole thing yokuthi nje bamemshaya and putting ilokhuzana plastic over his head, esho ukuthi that's not nice because you're not even getting any air, you know, it's not a nice thing. Usefuna ukukhala uNtanzi, guys. Yazi sometimes I even feel like uKinindaba efanele kahle kahle sishayele yena. Siyomela nje lapha ecourt nje simfake impama. Simshaye like urong uKininda. Urong kakhulu nje. Hlukumezana nezingane zabantu.
Africa and there was a pandemic in 2020. Do you recall?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso lana ke eSouth Africa nafuthi nje umhlaba nje wonkana ke ukuthi ke kwaku nesifo ke sasikhona ngaleso noma kwakukhona nje okwakubambe okwakwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi isifo lesi sasikhona ngaleso uyakhumbula?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula kunecorona nasemsebenzini sasingayi njalo wawujobha amalanga amathathu uphinde uphumule uphinde ujobhe 4 days uphinde uphume.
Yes, I do recall because it was during the COVID time. Even at work, you'd go to work for 3 days, you rest, you go to work for 4 days, and you rest again.
Now, at that engine garage, with respect to public movement, can you describe whether there was a lot of or none, in your own words, what was happening regarding public movement?
Uma ungasitshela ke wena ke ngokwakho nje noma ke ngawakho amazwi ukuthi ke laphana kuleya garage nani kuyona ke ukuthi nje kwakunabantu abaningi kwakwenzekani? There were not a lot of people because even the cars, there were not so many malot at that garage.
So proceed from where you were narrating the Ntanzi. So
ngithela inkosi enkantolo ngibuza lokho kumaphumulo wasuka wahamba wasekufika yena ke ubaba uButhelezi futhi ngapha ngakimi.
When I said that to Maphumulo Malot, he then left, and it was Buthelezi who came to me.
Mangihlele yena yaphinda ngibuza lokho ukuthi ubani wabulala uSenzo ngangekho makusho uSenzo ukuthi mina azange ngibulala uSenzo.
Was seated with him. He asked me who killed Senzo. I said I did not kill Senzo, and also asked me where I was. I said I did not kill Senzo.
Even Mabena
would say to me, don't you want to tell them the truth?
What happened?
I then said to him, I know nothing. I even said to him, even the place you are showing to me or telling me about that it is in Johannesburg, I am not familiar with Gauteng. From there, I noticed or saw him opening a plastic bag. It was a Truworth plastic bag.
Who's opening that plastic bag?
uphuma kwemabhena uphethwe ngomabhena
It
weplastic.
was from Mabena. Mabena is the one that had the plastic.
And at the time, is he inside the GTI or outside on your rear passenger side?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ungaphakathi emotweni noma ke ungale kulolu hlangothi kushilo ngakulona ukuthi waye kuhlangothi la ku left.
Umabhena ngihlele naye la ngemuva.
I was seated with Mabena at the back.
Umuntu olapha kimi umnyango uvuliwe, ifortune emlayo umnyango lo uvuliwe. Nguthelezi umuntu olanga.
The person that was on my side, that is now on the right side, because the Fortuner's door was open. It was Buthelezi.
Did you see where he retrieved that plastic bag?
Ingabe wambona ukuthi wawuthatha kuphi noma wawukhipha kuphi lowo plastic?
Uplastic ngoba masikhuluma la waphuma waya kule moto sasihamba ngayi Fortune wabuya weza la wabuya sevula lo plastic. Ngicabanga ukuthi usho wawuthatha khona.
The plastic
asawuvula la phambi kwami.
He got out of the vehicle, my lord, went to the Fortuner that we were traveling in, and then he came back and then he opened the plastic. So I think he took the plastic from the Fortuner.
What happened then?
Wasekwenzekani?
Wasengitshela ngoba ufuna ukukhuluma iqiniso. Hayi angazi ngawana ngabona plastic esewufaka ekhanda sempresse ngawona.
He said to me, because you don't want to tell the truth, I don't know. He then opened the plastic, placed it over my head and pressed it.
Ngizame ukugquma ngangizamela ukugquma kwami ngokuphusha ukuthi ngiyele okhona khona ukuthi ezokutheleza angipressele emotweni phakathi angiphushele phakathi.
I tried, my lord, to jump, that is now jumping towards the side of where Buthelezi was, and then Buthelezi would push me back to the inside of the vehicle.
Mahamba ke emveni kwesikhathi awukhipha uplastic athi namanje akufuna ukukhuluma iqiniso ngisho ukuthi mina alikho iqiniso kuzophuma angiganga nangaphandle.
And then after some time, he took the plastic out, said to me, do you still not want to tell the truth? I said, there is no truth that I will tell. Even outside, I'm not into mischief.
Ngoba bebona ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ngiyafuna ukuphuma ngeke ukutheleza uJonathan angiphusha kumabhena ngekhipha uplastic ashove isitulo semoto imoto lesisondele kimi la phakathi namathanga esitulo.
Because what would happen, my lord, if they would find or if they would notice that I want to jump to the side of Buthelezi pushes me back, Jonathan would then press this, push the chair backwards, and then it would get in between my legs.
And at
that time, they would then put the plastic back.
How did you feel when that plastic bag was placed over your head?
Wawuzizwa kanjani-ke uma lo plastic lowo ufakwa kuwena ekhanda?
Kwasenkantolo plastic ubuhlungu.
Plastic hurts, my lord.
Ngoba awutholi moya.
Because there is no breathing or air. There's no air that you get.
Okay, proceed.
Emveni kwalokho angazi ukuthi ubani owangishaya. Ngoba uplastic awusekhanda.
After that, I don't know who assaulted me because the plastic was over my head.
Mr. Ntanzi, I see that you are getting emotional. Do you need a moment to compose yourself?
Ngabe ucela isikhathi ukuthi nje uke wehleka na? Please.
My lord, may we take a short adjournment until after the tea break, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Maybe at half